Helpjuice AI is a game changer for businesses looking to optimize their knowledge base and customer support systems. In this video, I'll break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software and why it might be the best tool for your business this year. First off, Helpjuice AI is designed to streamline your knowledge base and automate customer service tasks. It uses advanced AI algorithms to understand and respond to customer queries, making it a must-have for companies with large volumes of support inquiries. But here's the catch. Unlike many other AI solutions, Helpjuice offers deep customization options, making it flexible enough for any business to integrate seamlessly. One standout feature is its intuitive interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, Helpjuice AI is incredibly user-friendly. It's easy to set up and doesn't require any prior knowledge of AI or coding. This means that anyone in your company, from customer service reps to managers, can use it with ease, speeding up response times and enhancing productivity. Helpjuice's AI is capable of learning from past interactions. The more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding your business's specific needs and tone. This adaptive learning ensures that the responses stay relevant and aligned with your brand's voice, providing a more personalized experience for your customers. Another feature that sets Helpjuice AI apart is its powerful search engine. It's designed to surface the most relevant articles and responses instantly, which means customers don't have to sift through irrelevant information. This leads to quicker resolutions and happier customers, ultimately improving customer retention. But what really sets Helpjuice AI apart from other AI tools is its robust analytics. The software tracks how well your knowledge base is performing, giving you real-time insights into customer needs and trends. You can easily identify gaps in your content and use this data to refine your knowledge base over time. Security is always a concern when dealing with customer data, and Helpjuice doesn't skimp on that front. The AI system is designed with top-tier security protocols, ensuring that your customer information remains safe. Whether you're dealing with sensitive customer inquiries or managing vast amounts of data, Helpjuice ensures compliance with privacy standards, giving you peace of mind. Lastly, Helpjuice AI allows seamless integration with various platforms like Zendesk, Salesforce, and other CRM tools. This means you can incorporate Helpjuice directly into your existing workflow, making it a smooth addition to your customer support ecosystem. So, if you're looking to take your knowledge management system to the next level, Helpjuice AI is a tool you should definitely consider. It's powerful, flexible, and can be tailored to meet the unique needs of your business. You can try Helpjuice AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say this one's worth a look. And don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description for more tools that can help streamline your business operations. This is one you won't want to miss. Stay tuned till the end and see how Helpjuice AI stacks up against the competition.